guys, this is gonna be the best part. We're graduating. Oh yeah, senior high, here I come. Yep, this is gonna be the awesome part. So what the date for today is. It's our victory of our 10th grade and junior high. So, what are we waiting for? It's about to start. Come on, let's go. I'm ready to graduate. Ready when you are. Yep. Senior high, here I come.
Formally open this program, may I call on Ms. Kea Angela P. Balmes from Grade 10 Resilience to deliver her welcome address.
Thank you, Teacher Raymond. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our Head of Student Affairs, Dr. Norma Blanco, also our respected teachers and speakers, and of course, our families and friends who have allotted their time for this precious ceremony. I'm proud seeing all of your faces today, and I'm also proud of seeing how far we've reached. I want to express my utmost gratitude to the parents and guardians who have sacrificed a lot for us, and to the junior high school teachers who did their very best to make us learn and feel motivated every day. Now, my fellow batchmates, I know that in those 4 years, they were hardships, fear, doubts, and those silent battles we faced and conquered, especially during the transition of our mode of learning. Honestly speaking, we all have the means and own reasons to stop, but I'm grateful that we all chose to continue. We all chose to rise from our downfalls. But set aside those negative memories for now and focus on what's happening at this moment, because we all deserve to celebrate this once-in-a-lifetime event and be happy. Now I'm thrilled to say that a few moments from now we'll be officially done with the junior high school. Advance congratulations to us. I'm really wishing all the success to our separate journeys. So on behalf of Academia de Lipas, class of 2022, I would like to formally welcome you to our moving up ceremony. Again, good morning.
Let's get to the award. Anyways, let's go to the award. Okay, let's do
Thank you,
it.
Kaya, for that warm.
I graduated, so look guys, I'm famous. I graduated. Let's go back to our team right now.
Loyalty. Repeat after me. We, the graduating class of Academia de Lipa City Incorporated,
We Incorporated.
Class 2022,
Class 2022.
do declare our pledge of loyalty
Share our pledge our loyalty
to our alma mater,
to our alma mater.
that we will treasure in our hearts
We will treasure in our hearts
the ideals,
the ideals,
honor, and prestige of the alma mater,
honor and prestige of our alma mater.
that we are grateful for the guidance,
That we are grateful for the guidance,
knowledge,
knowledge,
and protection our school given us,
and protection our school given us.
that we are equally indebted to our teachers
That we are equally indebted to our teachers
and our school for the unselfish devotion
and our school for the unselfish devotion
they have given us,
and given us
and that we shall strive hard
to try hard
to be good
to be good,
and useful members of our community,
to be the useful members of our community.
in order to be worthy of the name and honor of our alma mater.
To be worthy in the name of our Mother Mother.
So help us God.
So help us, God. God.
Thank you, Raisa. For the address of the learners with honors, may I call on Mr. Khalil Andre Emmanuel L. Pasno from Grade 10 Pioneer. You may now be seated.
To our school administrator, Sir Juan Paulo Chua, Academic Department Chairman, Dr. Norman Blanco, Department Principal of Junior High School, Ma'am Ligaya Sanggalang, and to our guest speaker for today's Moving Up, Ms. Jelly M. Manggiyat of Grade 11 STEM Department, distinguished faculty administrators, family, friends, and of course, Academian completers class of 2021-2022. Good morning and congratulations. After 2 virtual recognitions due to pandemic, here we are. We can finally be able to march with our parents for the end of school year rites. This is the culminating moment that we are dreaming about. This is exactly a clear and concrete picture of what we worked hard for. Words can barely describe how grateful I am. to be able to deliver this address of learners with honors with the theme K-12 graduates, pursuing dreams and fostering resilience in the face of adversity. Our dreams must continue despite the overwhelming consequences of the pandemic. But we can change the fact that highly stressful things happen. The road to the ceremony was a long story of early mornings and sleepless nights, just to be able to meet the project's deadline and to-do list. Learners become immersed in a new reality which has a huge impact in our lives. This calls for the ADL to develop a resilient learning system. Technology provides innovative and resilient learning system to combat disruption. However, technological challenges like internet connectivity for places without signal can be the greatest obstacle in teaching, especially learning modality. Yung tipong kailangan mo mag-load araw-araw para maka-join lang sa klase. O mangapit bahay para maki-wifi. Yung nai-stress ka na lang kasi kung kailan ka magre-report, doon ka magkakaroon ng connection loss. Or salamat din naman, kasi kapag may biglang recitation, connection can save one's life. Yung tipong answered prayer yung pagkawala ng net kahit ikaw na yung sunod. At susuportahan syempre ng mababait mong kaibigan at sasabihin, teacher, wala daw pong net. Sabi nga, the best wisdom comes from the hardest struggle. As the world is full of suffering, it is also full of overcoming. Let ambition drive you and not fear. Dream new and embrace life with passion and keep reaching for the stars. Shine on and go for it. I still remember when I took my first step at ADL, where from Cavite, but na-love at first sight agad ako. I was then shy and introvert, siguro dahil transfer kami ng kapatid kong si Kiara, and wala pa kaming kilala dito. But thanks to Ma'am Joy and admins who put their trust in me, the courage and confidence that has emerged in me is because of these wonderful teachers who guided me like my parents and supported me like my friends, due to which they have a special place in my heart. Na kahit hirap na sila magsulat sa Jamboard at maging paliko-liko man yung sulat nila, it doesn't matter. Ang mahalaga ay maturuan ng maayos ang mga estudyante nila. Dama namin na kayo man ay overload na that your brain is like a browser with 100 tabs open, na pati yung sarili niyong pamilya at kaligayahan ay naisasantabi niyo na. Maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal. As we celebrate this achievement, the biggest reward for all of us is having our parents witness these special events in our life. Thank you for giving us the greatest gift of all, and that is education. Salamat po sa lahat ng pagmamahal at sakripisyo niyo sa aming lahat. Ate Kyle and Kiara, thank you for always cheering me up. Mommy, Daddy, and Nona A, you are my most motivational inspiration. Para po sa inyo ito. Sa aking mga kaibigan, thank you for being part of my journey. You are all the major elements in my life's flow. Totoo na ito. Hindi na natin kailangan magpatugtog ng graduation song remix sa hallway na may kasamang malakas na speaker, kung saan naglalabasan yung mga estudyante at ang ending, tawag ang magulang. Those are the parts of happy memories na hindi ko makakalimutan. But most of all, to my co-completers, go in a direction of your dreams. Stand tall and show the world what you are made of. When the world beats you down, find a reason to get up again. Never give up on failures. Try and try and try again. Feed your mind with ideas of success and not failure. Every mistake has the power to teach something important. So look for the lesson in every situation. Remember, you are not scared. You are courageous. You are not weak. You are powerful. You are not ordinary. You are remarkable. So do not back down and do not give up. Give it your best and your dream will come to life. You are stronger. You are stronger completers having tested yourself. Success is yours. Go for your dreams. This is your time. Blessings and prayers for each one of you. Congratulations.
Thank you, Khalil. Please all rise for the Academian hymn.
Okay, you will now be seated. Completers, before we move on, please relax and enjoy the slideshow presentation by our creative and lovely grade 10 completers. On screen, you will see different activities and events that your child had experienced in school, which surely are memorable for them.
Di ba? Pagkatapos nito, yung kanta na sila. Kakanta na sila pagkatapos. Bibigay kay mami namin. Ayun, mami nandun. Meron po doon.
My name is Carlos Patalda and I'm from Grade 8 District.
I'm Christopher Dito from grade 9 Age of
Kasi masaya dito sa bahay niyo.
So, yung mga klase ko na bago, hindi, ako kasi pa. Pero as a first year student, syempre may isa ako mga klase ko.
Yung mga friends ko at saka
Ano, siguro yung pagsasama namin mga kasama. Lalo-lalo yung pagkakasin. Kasi every year, lalo yung pagkakasama. Lalo yung pressure talaga yung makakasama.
ang napakaisip natin sa yung mga tawag na yung friends. Saka yung kapag nakita yung friends, ito yung mga relating sa rin ko yung friends. Hindi ko alam, pero simula nung mag-grade 8 ako, doon ko na-experience yung high school. Siguro yun yung mga experience.
Siguro, greatest experience yung sumali ako sa intrams kasi as a experience din. Hindi kasi ako yung talagang mag-note pero dapat ba talaga ako yung maliwas sa rin.
Yung magkakaroon ng friends and customers ako, yung grade 7 ako,
Pero si Alex ay doon.
yung pag-achieve ng mga awards nito. Ayun, yung kasama mo yung kaibigan ko pag-aral sa graduation. Kapag yung magkakasama kami ng mga pagkakas kapag nakakarinig ko ng mga kaibigan
Sa ilang taon na paghihirap, masasabi ko na hanggang tama na lumaban ako. Dahil kung oo, nagtagumpay na ako.
Love it. This is so good.
Grade 5. Bye-bye. Sana all below.
Nationwide Castle mentioned ang kung kahit ang may nakulong ka, nakulong, nakulong ka, nakulong, nakulong, nakulong ka, nakulong, nakulong, nakulong ka, nakulong, nakulong, nakulong ka, nakulong, nakulong, nakulong ka. Kapatid ko, gusto ng bago, pagkawalan lang yan sa hangin, bukas ay malapit na kinapit. Lumaban ka pa rin.
Like,
Kuya Tina.
oh my god, okay.
Si, Teka lang. Nasaan si Rin?
Teka. Ano nga yung pangalan mo?
Ezekiel. Bakit wala ako na? Publicity na yun. Wala naman tayong mapapagod ng pangalan niya. Pagpili tayo sa...
Bye-bye.
Ano? Tara!
Ezekiel, you will be. Even if they say you're not. I found the friendship I've been longing for so long in you. The world may not agree with us right now or ever, but I'll find a way for us to meet and be friends again.
Heartwarming.
So thank you, grade 10, ay completers na pala, no? So, mukhang na-miss nyo yung school natin, ano? Yung, ready na ba kayo sa face-to-face? Sana.
May I call on Miss Crystal L. Dizon to deliver the short composed poem.
Now I am doing the speech. Okay. Good luck.
Ito man ang huling sandali, pilitin natin na manatili. Hindi pa tayo maaaring umuwi. Susulitin natin ang araw hanggat may ngiti sa mga labi. Sa ating samang-samang pagbitaw, ang pagtitiwala sa mga sarili ay patuloy na aabot. Mga pagsasama na hindi malilimutan. Ang mga pangarap natin makakamtan. At sa ating pagtitipon ngayong huling araw ng ating taon, masasabi ko ang kasiyahan natin walang limitasyon. Matapos man ang kabanata ng ating kwento ngayon, may panibagong dahilan kung bakit kailangan natin umahon. Tignan natin ang isa't isa. Ipakita sa ating mga mata ang pagkakamay. Salamat at maging parte ng kabanata. Tara na, sulitin na natin ang huling pahit.
I can't believe we're gonna sing next.
Let's all sit back and enjoy as we watch the graded students perform to sing Huling Sayaw as their moving up song. Please all rise.
Shout out sa lahat. I love you all. So, ang ating huling sandali, hindi na tayo magkakabalik. Kasi wala nang bukas, sulitin natin ito na ang wagas. Kailangan na yata natin umuwi.
Hawakan mo aking kamay bago tayo iwalay. At lahat ibibig ay lahat-lahat.
Paalam sa aking huling sayang, may dulo palang lang.
Kaya't sabay tayong bibitaw sa ating huling sayaw.
Malayan na, malalim na ang gabi,
Ngayon na ang gabi,
pero ayoko
ang magmadali.
kahit tamis, kahit sarap, ngunit
Ito na ang huli, kailangan na yata natin
umuwi.
hawakan mo aking kamay.
Bago tayo maghiwalay,
Lahat-lahat ibibigay, lahat-lahat.
paalam sa aking huling sayaw, may dulo palang lang.
Kaya't sabay tayong bibitaw sa ating huling sayaw.
Paalam sa aking huling sayaw, may dulo palang langit. Kaya't sabay tayong bibitaw sa aking huling sayaw. Paalam sa aking huling sayaw, may dulo palang langit.
Kaya't sabay bibitaw sa ating
huling
sayaw.
Okay?
Thank you for singing.
So, you may now face and be seated. Parents play an important role in every child's life because they are their learning models. The attitudes of parents towards education can inspire and can make them have an idea on how to take charge of their own educational learning.
So now, let us give appreciation to our dear parents who in one way or another support in every school activity that we had this school year.
Wala, lahat yung ganyan. Ayaw mo na kayo.
By the way, let's get this roast right now. Okay. Okay, let's go. Yeah, that is awesome. I actually have an award of being best in class, by the way. So what are we gonna do now? Let's eat for your celebration. Of course, yes. Let's celebrate. Come on, let's go. Okay, that will be exciting. So now for our celebration. This will pay also to the tribute of the singer, like who sang through the years. Yes, I know. This is called the restaurant based on the song Through the Years. So, by the way, as you know, like they got the bigger platter. Yep. And you know, always so let's dig in, guys. Okay, let's dig in. Well, hope you enjoyed. Yeah, good food puts me in good mood always. Yep. Yep. And the best thing of our life is friends. Yeah. That would be best friends forever and ever.